What's up, y'all? It's your boy, Black Owl, and welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Today, I'm going to show you how to make a ground beef street taco. You're saying yourself, Black Owl, ground beef? Is there a cow outside laying in the grass, taking a little nap? No, he's not. I'm making some ground beef street taco. And you're saying, Black Owl, why do they call it a street taco? Well, because this is a quick taco that you can make even if you're out in the street, my man. So, we're going to get it started tonight because I know you want to hurry up. I know you want to get in there and smoke a doobie and watch the Wizard. Don't you? I can see it in your eyes. But we got to get this done first so we can have a little. So, first thing you got to do, ground beef taco. Got to get that ground beef, buddy. And I got this little cheapo on sale. Got to watch some deals, especially with everything. So, go ahead and get your ground beef. Put it in there. We're going to get it brown. Once it's looking wonderful, good and brown, then I want you to drain some of that grease off. We're going to add just a little bit of taco seasoning. Now, the thing that denotes the street taco to me is that onion y cilantro, because you get that little green in there, and that sweet little onion too. It's so sweet to look at them and say, "Ooh, they're so cute." So we get that, we chop it up finely. You can chop it up big or as little as you want to. Me, I kind of like mine just a little fine, kind of like you looking good out there. So get that, chop it up, and we gotta have a little salsa. But I got mine in a jar. You're saying stuff like, "Oh, I don't see any pico de gallo, or you can make some fresh pico de gallo." Well, you know me, buddy. I get tired of that shit. We're going to show you how I do it. We got the ground beef, we got our vegetables. Let's go ahead and put the damn thing together, shall we? Because I got to go. Now, get your tortilla. Really, we should have a corn tortilla, or, even like a corn flour mix that was in there. I don't know. I don't want to know how that happens. So, let's go ahead and, I got the flour. I'm doing it wrong. Bad boy. So, get your tortilla, put the meat down on there. Then we're going to put our onion y cilantro mixta on there too, baby. So, then I'm going to put that sauce on there, make it good. I'm going to pay for it later, but you know what I'm talking about, a little fire around the rim of the volcano, if you know what I'm talking about. So, put that on there, and really, that's all there is to it. Didn't I tell you it was going to be quick and nice? So, let's have a quick and nice sight and a damn fine bite of this street taco tonight. Will you say, Big Daddy? Alright, buddy, the time has come. The ground beef street taco is done, and I'm having that first bite for myself, and I can almost guarantee you I'm going to slop this son of a bitch everywhere, so watch out. Ooh. My good friend. That's good, that's good. Damn good. That's the street taco flavor, baby. That onion and cilantro on there just nails that flavor every time. And the ground beef, you've seen this done with steak and chicken. Ground beef, easy to do. Easy to do for you. So, I want to thank you for stopping by another easy 11 episode of Cooking with Black Owl. Make sure to like and subscribe and follow me on social media. You can also watch all my other cooking videos and hot sauce right here on my YouTube channel. Now, if you'll excuse me, we eat this taco with some more taco before I go. So, and that sauce. Good though.